Alright, this is Mike with Pacific Tech, also Carfix Auto, and we're going to recondition a maintenance-free battery due to water levels are really low. As you can see where it comes from, it is a AutoZone battery, born 1025. Alright, battery's been on the bench for 3 months now, and I'm going to show you how to maintenance it. You need this right here, which is distilled water. You need a charger that can do some type of repair, or a trickle charger. You want to slow charge this. You want to clean your post. Fill it up, not all the way, but just fill it up to a certain area. Leave the cap off and charge the battery. Right, main things: gloves, the must, gloves, always gloves. Right, anything corrosive metal out the way, and you should be good to go. Now, we usually have a bench made for this, but I'm doing this right here as a bench test so you guys can see. I wanted to do where I can do a time lapse, but I'm only one person. I'm not asking you guys to send me anything, don't want anything, so before you guys start seeing. But they make things today so cheap, these plastics so cheap. It flexes and bends. It's one of the reasons why these things probably leak. Alright, so you can see the date of birth and everything. The stock label. Not even swollen, it's just a plastic. So I'm going to fill it up. I'm going to pause the video and I'm fill it up, and then I'm going to come back. Alright guys, so you guys can see now the water's a little bit up higher. And I ain't put it up too high, and I'm doing the repair, which is all the way down. It's going to let me know if the battery is going to be, first run is going to be bad. Then we're going to put it very slow charging, which is slow, and then you're going to see that the battery turns out good. There's going to be a three-part series. Right now, this is going to take about 2 to 3 hours. Just looking at the battery water levels, as you can see, they're all right to the max. Alright, so we're going to rebuild, recondition, and repair a maintenance-free battery, because this is what we used to do back in the days before they created maintenance-free, so they can take money out of your pocket. $150 to $270, depending on the battery. Anyway, this is Mike with Pacific Tech and Carfix Auto out here in Sacramento.